Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I am so excited. I have a try on bikini haul for you guys, and I have something for everybody. I have everything you could be looking for. This is probably my favorite bikini haul I've ever done. I'm working with Cupshe today. Cupshe has quickly become one of my favorite places to get swimwear. They also have clothing as well, so it's a good place to get your bikinis and your cover-ups, your one pieces, anything you need. Today I have bright colors, I have more simple styles, I have high-waisted, I have full coverage. I have everything you're looking for. I'm so excited for this video. I also have a discount code for you guys. It's Lyss15 for 15% off of your $65 purchase. You're gonna love it. Trust me when I say everything you see today, you'll be heading straight to the website. You're welcome in advance. Let's twin. Send me photos of what you get. Tell me what you get. Tell me what your favorite is. And let's get into the video. Get excited. Okay, look at this yellow. I'm not a huge yellow girl, but when I saw this, I was like, I have to have that. It's just so cute. Cupshe makes the best high-waisted bottoms because you're covered. And in the back too, they're cheeky, but you still have a little more coverage so you're not full thong out. Because I feel like there's kind of time or place for different bikinis. This is the simple triangle top with the little frilly. It makes it so girly. And then the comfy high-waisted bottoms. I ordered mediums and everything, by the way. I feel like I really need to put on a tan tonight and throw this on for the pool tomorrow. Like this color, I did not know that I liked yellow like this. Like this is just, I feel like pure sunshine in this. Remember that song, Itsy Bitsy Teeny Weeny Yellow Polka Dot Bikini? That's how I feel, just no polka dots. This next one, look how cute and girly this is. How cute. This is very high-waisted, like cover your belly button high-waisted. So if you like that, you will love this. This top ties in the back, but my favorite thing is these straps right here, you can take them off. Do you see this? Look at that pattern. How girly and cute. I don't know about you guys, but I am in a mode these days where I either want to feel super girly or like a tomboy all day long. This is feeding my girly dreams. And these are like kind of the best super high-waisted bottoms ever because they really do cover you up and they hit perfectly on the hips right here. I love this. I love the mix of pastels. I also feel like you could use this bikini top as a top out with like some jeans and some heels for dinner. Hello. All of these bikinis make me want to do a bikini shoot so bad. And I'm only on bikini number 2. This one is a good tanning bikini. It's very tiny. I love the neons. It's very, I feel like it could be cheekier, but my butt takes in everything. I love this bikini. I love this bikini. So I love that it's the tube and then it just ties in the back. I love the high cut of these bottoms as well. I die. Lavender violet combo. Like look how cute that is. Right? We love. You're gonna catch me in Cupshe all summer, I'm telling you. This is so cute. Can you see that it's shiny? Look at the shimmer. I need you to see this in the sun. Do you see this shimmer in the sun though? Ooh, this is fun. These bottoms are also very covered, like thicker on the sides, more coverage in the front. I feel like the booty's fully covered. I'm more of a smaller bottom bikini girl, but these are really comfortable. Like I know I can wear this around family. I feel like this bikini would be a cute one for like a bachelorette weekend where like every girl gets the same bikini because it's covered and cute and the shimmery. I love this. Also, we'll definitely be wearing this top just as a top on its own because obviously like this needs to go see a night on the town, right? I mean, is that just me? If I'm honest, I didn't know I could like a full coverage bottom so much because I prefer something a little smaller, but I like the way this one fits. Like this feels really comfortable. I'm not hanging out. I'm not self-conscious or like worried about anything. I really like this. This one also just has like, it clasps like a bra, which I love. This next one, I love these bottoms. They're the classic high-waisted, like high-cut bottoms, super cheeky and cute. We love that. This top is the reason why I got this because it's unlike anything I've seen. So you have the straps that go over the shoulders, but they like connect to the bottom strap and then you tie it off. And this honestly reminds me of like Neapolitan ice cream. I just think it's so cute. The pattern's fun, the fact that it's a swirl. I just thought this was cute. It gave me ice cream shop vibes just because of the colors. I really love the way that it fits on my hips. Because I have a smaller waist, it's hard for me to find things that fit right or that can like sit properly without me having to constantly pull it up or readjust. This just sits there, doesn't move, I'm good to go. Everything's good, I love it, I'm obsessed. Now, if you're someone that doesn't like a lot of pattern or design, here's a simple one for you, it's just this purple. I'm gonna be honest, just like I said with the yellow, I don't really wear a lot of yellow, I don't really wear a lot of purple, but for some reason, these shades that they chose, I was like, wait, I need that. This purple, I love, like I feel like I should be on Sports Illustrated, like. But I love that it's this simple triangle top bikini. You can tie this in a million different ways, which I love. And then the bottoms fit perfectly. Again, the high-waisted, high cut. This one is also pretty high-waisted. You can just see like barely the top of my belly button there. And then you just have the cute little cheeky coverage in the back. I know for me, when it comes to a bikini, sometimes I'm in the mood to wear a pattern and something really, you know, wild and fun. And sometimes I'm like, I just want to go more simple today, throw on a baseball hat and call it good. You know what I mean? This purple is like, honestly, what? This purple is gorgeous. You guys, I'm freaking out. This top, you can wear it in different ways. Look at this, okay? There's like the regular straps, right? And then you have a thicker strap in the back, but you can flip it around. You can tie this in different ways. What? That was smart. I've never seen it with different straps before. Cupshe. I know that I've been giving you a little more coverage most of this time. This is a tie bottom, cheekier than ever. I'm full cheeks out in this one, which I love personally. That's normally my vibe. But I know it's not for everybody. So if that's not for you, that's okay. But if that is for you, you'll love this. This is so comfortable too. Look at this cute, it's like jungle animal print. I can't really tell if it's supposed to be like jaguar or cheetah because there's stripes and spots, but I love it. I love this. I think this one is my favorite. I saved it for last, but I'm obsessed. I mean, I love it. Like, how cute. I just want to dance around in this one like, hey. This bikini for sure needs a spicy margarita in hand, right? Are you getting the vibe? This one needs a margarita and we need to be at the pool party like, yeah, hey. I love it. What did you think? Are you dying? Which one's your favorite? I'm still wearing this one. Obviously, I love this one so much. I'm excited to play around with the styles of this bikini top. Let me know if you want me to do a video about that. I love all the colors. The yellow was so cute. I felt like pure sunshine. I love Cupshe. It's truly my favorite place to get swimwear right now. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know what other videos you would like to see from Cupshe. Do you want to see more swimwear? Should I try out some of their clothing next? Do you shop Cupshe? Let me know. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.